Welcome to the Desert Locust Monitoring Service, the new system for preventing upsurges of desert locust across eastern Africa, southwest Asia and northwest of India. Desert locusts are known as the world's most destructive migratory pest, and can cause major impacts to the economy, quality of life and the environment. Climate change is amplifying the occurrence of such pests. By using advanced AI techniques and climate data, the Desert Locust Monitoring Service can give a broader understanding of the threat, helps mitigate crop damage, and safeguards essential food supplies. Leveraging the power of satellite observations, model outputs, and in situ measurements, the Desert Locust Monitoring Service makes it possible to identify areas with favorable environmental conditions for desert locust breeding and predict migration patterns of locust swarms. The Desert Locust Monitoring Service web platform is accessible to anyone who is registered on Destination Earth, with some features reserved to upgraded access users. The service offers an interactive map of the region affected by desert locust, with zoom navigation controls and different baseline maps to facilitate user accessibility. There are two service layers available: early stage locust appearance and locust swarm migration. The early stage locust appearance service layer gives information about areas characterized by ideal environmental conditions for locust breeding by using meteorological and climate information with machine learning to extract the necessary physical parameters. There are two available modes. The safe mode makes use of climate data from ERA 5 land and Sentinel-3 to generate probability forecasts up to 1 day in the future. The experimental mode allows to extend the forecast up to 2 days in the future thanks to the advanced projections of Destination Earth's weather extremes digital twin. To generate the results, the user can select the preferred mode and date of interest, and click on Load Map. The early stage locust appearance output consists in a heat map highlighting the areas with a probability of locust breeding higher than 90%. A legend is available on the map to facilitate navigation, and estimated probability values can be seen by clicking on the area of interest. The Locust Swarm Migration Service layer is designed for forecasting migration patterns of locust swarms based on the information about the appearance of early-stage locusts provided by the previous layer, in combination with climate data from Copernicus and climate change adaptation digital twin data from Destination Earth. To generate the results, the user can select the date of interest, among the ones available, and click on Load Map. For more details about this, you can refer to the service documentation. The Locust Swarm Migration Service layer provides a bubble map where the color indicates the probability of presence of adult locust swarms due to migration, as shown in the legend. By clicking on the bubble, the user can see the size of the swarm in kilometers squared. The Desert Locust Monitoring Service provides the tools needed to anticipate and manage desert locust threats more effectively. Enabled by Destination Earth's cutting-edge modeling and data infrastructure, the service offers high-quality insights that support the protection of crops, communities, and ecosystems in the most affected regions between Africa and Asia.